There is a 9-year-old kid sitting at his desk, and all of a sudden, he notices that his pants are wet. He is shocked. That has never happened before, and he knows that when the boys find out, they will laugh at him. If the girls find out, they'll never speak to him again as long as he lives. The boy believes his heart is going to stop. He puts his head down and prays, "Dear God, this is an emergency." He looks up from his prayer, and here comes the teacher looking like she discovered him. As the teacher is walking towards him, a classmate named Susie is carrying a goldfish bowl that is filled with water. Susie trips in front of the teacher and inexplicably dumps the bowl of water on the boy's lap. The boy pretends to be angry but whispers to himself, "Thank you, Lord." Now all of a sudden, instead of being the object of ridicule, the boy is the object of sympathy. The teacher rushes him downstairs and gives him gym shorts to put on while his pants dry out. At the end of the day, as they are waiting for the bus, the boy walks over to Susie and whispers, "You did that on purpose, didn't you?" Susie whispers back, "I wet my pants once too."